flip it over and slowly open this up. Right.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make another CNY dish, yeah, Chinese New Year dish, which is called Osmanthus Egg, yeah, which is actually a fried omelette with shark's fin. Outside, very expensive. Easily one plate, they will charge you 50, 60 ringgit easily because of the shark's fin. But Appa doesn't like to eat the real shark's fin. So today, I'm actually going to use, this is Imitation Shark's Fin. It is made out of gelatin. And you need to prep it. I will show you how you get ready and prep the shark's fin after this. Okay? Now, after that, after you prep your thing, then you have to prepare 2 to 4 pieces of egg here. I'm using 4 because my egg is quite small today. I'm using the free-range egg. And then I have few different ingredients here. Let me switch it for you. Focus. Okay. You have some julienne carrot, sliced green onion. This is hand-shredded imitation crab meat. This is optional. I have some leftover fish maw from yesterday, fish maw soup, so I added in also. And I have some soaked shiitake mushroom, which is also sliced. This dish is not difficult. And there is one main characteristic of this particular dish is that you will always find the egg, the omelette itself is actually smooth. So there is one trick to how to make your egg become smooth, which I'm going to show you right now. Right, so now we are going to prep the egg. First of all, we are going to season it with a few dashes of fish sauce, or you can use salt. I'm going to give it some umami flavor. I'm going to add in about half teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Few dashes of white pepper. And the secret that make it smooth is this. This is a starch solution. You're going to give it like maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons here. And you mix everything up. Alright. Let me very quickly show you how to prep the vegetarian shark's fin. Prepare a pot of boiling water here. And we are going to turn it into chicken stock by adding some of about 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, available in both Shopee, Malaysia and Singapore, for those who are interested. If not, you use your own chicken stock. Then we shall put in the vegetarian shark's fin and cook it for between 10 to 15 minutes until it has spent. Then it is ready to be used. So why do you want to cook it? Because it is actually made out of gelatin, and originally it doesn't have any flavor. So you want to give it a little bit of flavor. It's okay if you want to add in some salt also, no problem. Just give it a little bit more flavor before you stir fry together with the rest of the ingredient. If you really don't have chicken stock at home, you can either add in some salt or some light soya sauce. Can also, no problem. Right, this is after approximately 11, 12 minutes. This is basically done. If you're not sure, you just put one of it into your mouth and you should have a bit of al dente kind of bite feel. I think it's good enough to be used. So first of all, put in a little bit of oil here, and you want to saute your mushroom and some other ingredient. Mushroom, carrot. You always want to saute your carrot because when carrot get in contact with hot oil, it will then only release the carotene, which will then give you the vitamin, yeah? And this is the fish maw. This is the imitation crab meat. Wow, I can smell the mushroom right now, very fragrant. And to expedite the cooking process, I don't mind adding a little bit of chicken stock. This is the chicken stock I use to blanch or cook the vegetarian shark fin just now. Again, the fish maw is actually optional. Usually you won't find fish maw in this particular dish. I think I only saw one. Probably that restaurant don't want to put the real shark fin, they actually replace the fish maw instead. But the thing is, fish maw do take a little bit longer time to cook, yeah? I'm going to add in the spring onion and the chili slices. Then I'm going to take it out. We're going to continue. Give it some oil here. And we can put in the egg. Then you raise the heat. Stirring like this, you will start seeing the egg start to taking shape. Keep on stirring. It's actually easier to use a non-stick wok for this particular dish if you prefer a smoother version. See, it is getting more and more cooked right now. This is like 40–50%. Let's continue. Now we are getting like 50–60%. All right, then now you can see still see a little bit of liquid here. This is the time where we can actually add in the ingredient we sauteed just now together with most of everything in already. It's okay lah. Put in the imitation shark fin and you stir fry it. And you will notice the egg right now, it is actually very smooth, in a very smooth condition. Very smooth. Not sure if you can see clearly from the camera. Maybe I try to enlarge for you shortly. Remember, just now most of the ingredient inside is already pre-cooked, so you don't really have to fry this for a long time. Just need to give it some final seasoning. I will give it a bit of salt and few dashes of white pepper. Done. So you can get ready a bowl. Stuff the egg inside, yeah, the omelette. Press it nice and tight. Then you get a serving plate, sorry. Get a serving plate, flip it over, and slowly open this up. Right. Our very nice, beautiful Osmanthus egg is ready for your Chinese New Year reunion dish. Okay, so I hope you like my video today. If you like my very simple video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa's fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Bye-bye.